Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic from hydrocarbon chapter, alkenes. Here aliphatic unsaturated compound, organic compound aliphatic unsaturated compound, unsaturated hydrocarbons or aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons, can call any hydrocarbons, aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons contains carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon double bond is called alkene, my dear students. Carbon-carbon double bond, name end with the ene, okay. General formula CnH2n of alkene. General formula Cn means number of carbon atom, understood? N number of carbon atom. So actually in this one we are studying about structure. For example, I will give you, my dear students, ethane is the best. Ethene, not ethane, sorry, ethene. CH2, how it looks, my dear students? H, double bond, H, that you studied in chemical bonding chapter. Which hybridization it has? Double bond means it is sp2 hybridization. It contains pi bond and sigma bond. That also very important. My dear students, next part is nomenclature of alkene. Here, my dear students, nomenclature of alkene. In this nomenclature of alkene, first you are writing molecular formula, after that trivial name, after that IUPAC name. And in IUPAC name, my dear students, IUPAC name, the name end with the ene. Name, alkene name end with the ene. Okay, my dear students. Just we will discuss one by one. Okay. IUPAC naming is important for you. Okay. Is what? First one we will take ethene molecule, CH2, ethene. My dear students, ethene. CH2 double bond, CH2. Is normally, my dear students, in trivial name it is called ethylene. See, ethylene. ETHYLENE, ethylene. not ethane, ethylene, L-E-N-E, okay. And IUPAC name of this one, you know that it is ethene. Ethene, E-N-E, there is no L, ethylene, ethene. Next is, my dear students, one more I'll give you. Three carbon atom, one double bond. It's actually propylene. Prop means three carbon atom, propylene. Propylene. And IUPAC name is propene. Propene. You can write, my dear students, prop 1-ene also you can write. It is not wrong. Prop 1-ene. This is also okay. Prop 1-ene. Not pop. Prop 1-ene, that also you can write. But propene means if the double bond is there in first position, you can mention that position also. Double bond is there in second position, you have to mention that position every time. Prop 2-ene if it is there in second position. But if it is there in first position, no need to mention that double bond, which position. For example, you have to name this one from here. 1, 2, 3. Understood? 3 carbon, prop. Here first position double bond is there. That means first position ene is there. Double bond, alkene. So no need to mention that first position. Suppose this double bond in second position, you have to mention that. I will tell you how to write that. Okay. Numbering is important, my dear students. From double bond you have to start numbering. Okay. Next is CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH3. Alpha butylene. Alpha, that means in first position double bond is there. So you are mentioning first position is alpha position. Second position is beta position. Alpha, how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Alpha butylene. This is trival name. Trival name. Okay, my dear students, what is actually IUPAC name? Butene, or you can write but1-ene. Otherwise you can write butene, not beauty, butene. Butene. Okay, my dear students, one more I will give you. This compound also contain 4 carbon atom, 1 double bond. But here and here the difference is, here at the first atom, while naming you should start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here also you can start it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. You are getting double bond in same side. 1, 2. In second position only you are getting double bond. If you start from here also, you are getting in second position double bond. If you start from this side, you are getting double bond. Understood? There is no difference, my dear students. So I will name from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in second position, what is there, my dear students? Double bond. That means beta position. Second position in trival name, it is beta position. Beta butylene. In IUPAC name is but2-ene. Like this you have to write. But2-ene. Not very tough thing actually. Very simple. But2-ene. Okay. Next, my dear students, CH3, double bond, CH2. This is actually iso compound, but here one double bond is there. Here it is 4 carbon atom is there. So it is but only. Isobutylene. butylene. While naming, how to name this one, my dear students? From where you start numbering? From this side you have to start numbering, because double bond comes first here. So 1, 2, 3. In second carbon, what is there, my dear students? In second carbon, methyl group is there. So how to write, my dear students? Last class I explained. 2-methyl. First you have to write substituted group. 2-methyl. Next, how many carbon atom is there? 2-methyl is over, my dear students. 1, 2, 3. Prop. Correct, no? Here one double bond is there. You can write prop 1-ene also. You can write propene also. Okay. 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. My dear students, next is amylene. Is nothing but pentene compound. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. This is actually, this compound contains 5 carbon atom. It's nothing but pent, correct, no? But usually in tribal name it is called amyl. AM, not Amul. Amul is different. Okay, Amul milk. Okay, now this is actually amyl. In first position double bond is there, so it is called alpha amylene. In IPAC naming of this one is pentene. Pentene you can write, my dear students. Pent 1-ene also you can write, my dear students. No problem. Next, my dear students, CH3, CH2, sorry, here I will write double bond, CH3. Here second position, this also contains 5 carbon atom, my dear students, but you have to name from this side, 1, 2, because you are getting in second position double bond. If you name from this side, means you are getting in a third position, correct, no? So this is correct method of numbering. 1, 2, in second position you are getting double bond. You can't number from here actually, 1, 2, 3. In third position you are getting double bond. It is wrong. This way you have to number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 carbon is there. In second position is there. It is beta amylene, my dear students. And here you can write pent 2-ene. Pent 2-ene. My dear student, this is actually, this compound contains 5 carbon atom, and very important thing, from where you have to number, from here or from here, which one is correct numbering? You are getting long chain, this one, long chain, this is over. Okay, you can number either from this side or from this side. Which side you have to number? From this side you have to number, because in first position you are getting double bond. So you have to start it from this side. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In third carbon, what is present? Methyl group is present. But while writing you should write third carbon methyl group first in IPAC naming. Okay, substituent group you have to write first. Okay, what is simple tribal name? Isoamylene. Isoamylene. My dear students, actually this side you are getting, you are naming, IPAC naming 3-methyl. In third position methyl group is there. 3-methyl. And which one this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom is there. 4 means bute. 3-methyl bute. In first position double bond is there, but1ene. 3-methyl but here, this is actually can use small letter my dear students, but1ene. 3-methyl but1ene. This is correct naming. Okay, please note down. My dear students, next important topic is isomerism. Isomerism. It shows actually stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. There is nothing but chain isomerism and position isomerism. For example, I will take example of butene, my dear students. Butene. This butene, my dear students, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond, CH3. Okay. Here this is called butene, N-butene. N, that means long chain of butene. Correct. Now my dear students, this you can write like this also. And one more is there, CH3, CH, CH2, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. This is actually but2ene. Here I will write, my dear students, to avoid confusion, but1ene. This is but2ene. In second position, double bond is there. Okay. And this is first structure, another second structure, and third structure, my dear students. One more, third structure. Sorry. I just dropped pentene, my dear students. Sorry. 5 carbon atom I drawn. But means sorry, my dear students. CH3. CH double bond, okay, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. This is actually but1ene. Now but2ene, my dear students, CH3, CH2, okay, but2ene, CH3. This is actually but2ene, my dear students. In second position, double bond is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next is one more structure I will write, my dear students. Butane structure, CH3, CH3, CH double bond, CH3. Not CH3, CH2. This is actually isobutene, my dear students. Isobutene. Okay, isobutene. These 3 different types of structures are given. Correct? And this is third structure. Okay. My dear students, here 2 types of isomerism you can see. One is position isomerism. Position. Another one is chain isomerism. These 2 isomerism are stereo, not stereo. These 2 isomerism are structural isomerism. Structural isomerism means same molecular formula, different in structure. Understood? These 2 isomerism are structural isomerism, position isomerism, chain isomerism. My dear students, in case of first and second structure, what difference you can see, my dear students? Tell me. First and second. In first, double bond at the first position. 1 2 3 4. In first case double bond at first position, in second case double bond at second position. Position of double bond is different in first and second case. In first and second case, first and second case, position of double bond is different. Here at the first carbon atom double bond is present, here in second carbon atom double bond is present. Okay, my dear students. So position differs. Double bond position differs. So it is called, first and second structure is called position isomerism. Because double bond position is differ in double bond position. Okay, my dear students, next chain isomerism. See here, in the case first structure and third structure, look at my dear students, first this one and third this one, chain is different, correct? No, here long chain is there, correct? N, long chain. In third it is branched one, correct? No, branched chain means this is one chain, one branched atom is attached. This is branched, this is long chain. So difference in chain, correct? No, chain difference. In first and third you can see that chain difference. So it is called different in chain formation. Differ in chain formation. First and third differ in chain, but same molecular formula, my dear students. Both the compound bute only. 4 carbon atom, how many hydrogen atom? 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 hydrogen atom is present. 8 C4 H8. In that case also C4 H. Okay, here one is missing. 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 2. Here one extra I added. 1 2 3. Sorry, my dear students, here there is single H. Okay, see here the correction. See, that's what you have to check down. CH3 C, CH3 CH2. Here carbon having tetravalency 1 2 3 4. Correction here. I put X, one extra H is there, it's not there actually, only 8, 3, 6, 7, 8, C4, H8, H8. In both case, in first and third carbon, same molecular formula, but differ in chain. This one has long chain, that one has branched one. Okay, so differ in chain is called chain isomerism. At that time you may ask, sir, is there any difference in one and second? Is there any difference in chain? This is long chain, this is also long chain. There is no difference in the chain, but position of double bond is different, so it is represented as the first and second is position isomerism. Position differ. Understood? It is not chain isomerism. First and second is not, second is, there is no difference in chain. Both are elongated chain only, long chain. So it is not a chain isomerism. First and second shows only position isomerism. First and third shows chain isomerism. Differ in chain. Understood? Chain isomerism means difference in chain. First one is long chain. Second one, third one is okay. Now once again you have to compare second and third. In the case second and third differ in again chain, because this is long chain, this is branched one. Same molecular formula, same molecular formula C4H8 3 6 7 8 C4H8, same molecular formula these two, but differ in chain. This is long chain, this is branched one. So this is second and third also example for chain isomerism. Second and third also example for chain isomerism. First and second example for position isomerism, and first and third is example for chain isomerism, and second in third also example for chain isomerism. Difference in chain is called chain isomerism. Different in position of double bond or functional group, it is called position isomerism. These two you note down, my dear students, very important. Okay, my dear students, next is geometrical isomerism. This is one of the important part in alkenes. Geometrical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, compound having alkenes having same molecular formula. Alkenes having same molecular formula and structural formula, same molecular formula and structural formula, but differ in spatial arrangement of atom, but differ in spatial, again that word comes spatial, it is not facial, spatial arrangement of atoms attached to carbon double bond, my dear students. In this one, actually two important types of geometrical isomerism. One is cis isomerism, another one is trans isomerism. Cis and trans isomerism. My dear students, in the cis isomerism, two means same groups are same side of carbon double bond. Same type of groups or same groups are same side of carbon double bond. In trans isomerism, same groups are on opposite sides of carbon double bond. Here cis isomerism, the same substituent atom, the same groups are same side of carbon carbon double bond. In this one, the same groups on opposite side of same groups on opposite side of carbon carbon double bond. I will give you one example, my dear students. It's not that much what do you call, this is actually important. Okay, for example, double bond here two methyl group is actually you have to take like this 1 2 3 4, fourth carbon is this one. Understood? See the difference in the spatial arrangement. Here two carbon in see two methyl group are same side of the double bond. Here two hydrogen are in same plane. Two methyl group are in same plane and two hydrogen are in same plane. Understood? When you bifurcate or separate, means cut into two halves, you are getting two equal halves. Two equal half. Here these methyl groups are same groups. Two same groups are same side. Hydrogen, two same groups are two same atoms or molecules are same side. You can write two same molecules or two same atoms or two same groups on same side of carbon carbon double bond, then it is called cis configuration. Cis configuration. This is actually example for cis configuration. This is cis isomer. Cis isomer. What is name of this compound? It is important, my dear students. How to name? Here you started from here 1, 2, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. You can start it from here also. First, second, third. Both are same. Okay. How to name? 4 carbon atom. In second position, double bond is there. Okay. Second position, double bond is there. Then you are calling cis but 2-ene. Cis you have to write at the beginning. Cis but 2-ene. Cis but 2-ene. Next one I will write you, my dear, for example. My dear students, I will give you one example. Trans compound. In this case, the same groups or same molecules are on opposite side. Same groups are same molecule or same atom, we can call. Here hydrogen atoms are on opposite side of carbon carbon double bond. Here in definition you can write same groups or same molecules or same atoms are opposite side of a carbon carbon double bond. It is called transform. Here CH3, here CH3. These two are in different planes. CH3 in that side and CH3 this side, and these are opposite to each other. While naming, so numbering, you can start from here, no problem, or you can start from here. The same you are getting 1, 2, third carbon, fourth carbon. So you have to write trans but 2-ene. Trans but 2-ene. These two means different conformations is given. Cis conformation, trans conformation. In this two only the difference is same groups are same side of the carbon carbon double bond. In that same groups are opposite side of the carbon carbon double bond. My dear students, please note down. Here this is an example for geometrical isomerism.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.